How to fix Face ID not working on your iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you on how you can fix if your Face ID isn't working on iPhone. The first step is to head into your settings, head into General, and scroll down here, head into software update here, and check if the update is available. Make sure your iPhone has the latest version of iOS. Now the second thing is to check your Face ID settings. Simply go into settings, back on settings, and scroll down and head into Face ID and passcode option here. And here now what you want to do is enter in your passcode, enter it up, and make sure that the Face ID is enabled. You can check the TrueDepth camera as well. Make sure nothing is covering the camera like a case, screen protector, or smudge. Make sure your eyes, nose, and mouth are visible to the camera. If you are wearing a face mask, make sure your eyes aren't blocked. You can also try and restart your iPhone, which may help. If this all doesn't help, then simply head into settings, and here head into General. Under General, scroll down, and you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, and then here you can go ahead and reset all settings first. So hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.